KPIs are very important because numbers tell a story. You want to know what's going on with your business? You go to the numbers. You're going to find out what's happening and there's a reason behind. And I love to say that numbers tell a story because it's so true. Like data don't lie. Because if something is wrong with your list, with the diet, with the color, you're going to find out through numbers. That's why for us it's very important to track our KPIs, and we train our coders to be able to understand the data and the metrics, and we give them goals so they have something to measure and compare to. So if they know that they need to accomplish X amount of leads per week and something is not going right on day 2, callers are gonna come asking for help, and they're gonna come find out what's the matter, instead of you not understanding why numbers are important and just running by without knowing what should happen and what is not happening. Having clear expectations and goals is gonna set you apart, and it's gonna help you save money.